Hi, in this video I will explain the number system for 6th and 7th class students. Numbers are fundamental to mathematics and everyday life in India and across the world. They help us count, measure and describe the world around us. Understanding different types of numbers is essential for solving problems from simple shopping calculations in local market to complex engineering tasks. This video surely help us students to build strong foundations in numbers. There are many types of number systems are there. Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers and complex numbers and real numbers. Before going to natural, whole numbers and integers, students have to learn positive numbers, negative numbers and zero. Which numbers are called positive numbers or negative numbers? The positive numbers are written as placing plus before the numbers plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 like that. Negative numbers are written as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. 0 is the number, it has no sign. 0 is called neither positive nor negative. Neither positive nor negative. The numbers greater than 0 are called positive numbers. The numbers less than 0 are called negative numbers. How can we represent the positive numbers, negative numbers and 0? We can understand these numbers with the help of number line. Observe this number line. 0 places in middle of the both side of numbers. In number line, positive numbers are placed right side to the 0 and the negative numbers are placed left side of the 0. Positive and negative numbers are used to represent opposite quantities, bank deposit and profits, degrees above 0 degrees Celsius temperature and height above sea level, floors above ground level. These are all treated positive values. And the same way, debits, losses, degrees below 0 degrees Celsius, depth below sea level, and the floors below ground level are all treated as negative values. The important two words successor and predecessor. What is successor? The numbers next to that are called successors. The numbers below to that are called predecessor. Suppose for example, the successor of 10 is 11. The successor of 0 is 1. The successor of 13 is 14. Similarly, the predecessors, the number before that are called predecessors. The predecessor of 10 is 9. The predecessor of 0 is minus 1. The predecessor of 13 is 12. Now we shall discuss about natural numbers. These numbers are called counting numbers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called natural numbers. Mathematically, the natural numbers are represented by the letter n is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Whole numbers. The numbers of natural numbers and including 0 are called whole numbers. The whole numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These numbers are called whole numbers. Whole numbers are represented by the letter W is equal to set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The next one is set of integers. The negative numbers and 0 and positive numbers are called integers. Integers are represented by Z. Z is the set of negative numbers, 0 and positive number. You can write as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. The set of these numbers are called integers. In higher classes, the students shall learn rational numbers and irrational numbers and real numbers. Let us solve the MCQs on topic just we discussed. The first one, the smallest natural number is, the answer is B, because the natural number starts with 1. The smallest whole number is, the set of whole numbers starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So the right answer is 0. The successor of 15, just we have discussed it. The successor of 15 is 16. The next number of 15 in the number line is 16. So the right answer is 16. The predecessor of 9, the number before the 9 in number line is 8. So the right answer is 8. Which of the following is an integer? Minus 7 is integer. So the right answer is minus 7. The successor of minus 5 is, just observe the number line 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. The successor of minus 5. The successor means the next greater number, immediate greater number of minus 5 is 4. So the answer is minus 4. The predecessor of 0 is the number 4, 0, which is less than 0. The immediate number less than 0 is minus 1. So the predecessor of 0 is minus 1. 0, minus 1, minus 2. So here the predecessor of 0 is minus 1. Which of the following is not a whole number? 0 is whole number, 5 is whole number, and 8 is also whole number. Minus 3 is not a whole number. So this is the right answer, because the set of whole numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So there is no negative numbers. So minus 3 is not a whole number. Which of the following statements is true? 0 is positive number, 0 is negative number, 0 is neither positive nor negative. We have discussed positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So the right answer is C. The predecessor of minus 1 is, just look into the number line, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Predecessor of minus 1 means the number behind the minus 1 is minus 2, which is immediate lesser than minus 1. So the right answer is minus 2. Which number comes just after minus 3 on the number line? Observe the number line 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Which number comes just after minus 3? After minus 3 is here minus 2. Which of these sets has no end? Natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, all of these has no end. So the right answer is all of these. The integers between minus 3 and minus 1. When you observe number line 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. The integers between minus 3 and minus 1 is 2 is the minus 2 is the answer. Which is the opposite of minus 8? The number opposite to negative number is plus 8. How many whole numbers are there between 0 and 5? We know that 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 numbers. Answer is B. The next integer after minus 10, minus 9. So the question is asked in another way. The successor of minus 10 is equal to minus 9. What is the sum of minus 2 and plus 3? Just draw the number line 0 plus 1. Add plus 3 to minus 2. So start from minus 2, and when you add positive numbers, you goes to right side for 3 steps. So here the result is plus 1. So minus 2 plus 3 is equal plus 1. So the right answer is plus 1. And which number is smaller? Here all are negative numbers, so minus 8 is the smaller. The opposite 0 is also a 0. Which number has no predecessor among whole numbers? The least whole number is 0. So 0 has no predecessors. So the right answer is 0. What type of number minus 12 is? Minus 12 is integer. Integers, the set of integers includes positive, negative and 0. So C is the right answer. Which of the following pairs are consecutive integers? Minus 1 and 0 are the consecutive integers. What is the successor of the greatest negative integer? The greatest negative integers is minus 1. So the successor of minus 1 is 0. Which of these numbers lies between 0 and minus 1? The answer is minus 0.5. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the like button and watch my channel for more videos. Thank you.